Have you ever watched a World Cup match and had absolutely no idea why the goal was disallowed? Every 4 years. 32 nations compete for the most watched trophy on Earth, but before anyone lifts that cup, they have to survive a system designed to eliminate the weak and expose the best. Here is how it works. The tournament starts with the group stage. 32 teams are divided into 8 groups of 4. Every team plays the other 3 teams in their group. A win gives you 3 points. A draw gives you 1. A loss gives you nothing. The top 2 teams from each group advance. The bottom 2 go home. Then the real pressure begins. The round of 16, then the quarterfinals, then the semifinals, then the final. From this point, it is pure knockout football. 1 game, 1 chance. Lose, and your World Cup is over. Now, you are watching a game. A striker breaks free, beats the last defender, scores, the crowd explodes. And then the flag goes up. Goal disallowed. Offside. What just happened? Offside is one of the most misunderstood rules in football. A player is in an offside position if any part of their body, head, torso, or feet is closer to the opponent's goal than both the ball and the second-to-last defender at the exact moment a teammate plays the pass. If that player then touches the ball or interferes with the play, the referee stops the game and awards a free kick to the defending team. The key word is moment, not when the player receives the ball. The moment the pass is made. Now let's talk about the cards. A yellow card is a formal warning. It means the player committed a reckless foul, wasted time, or showed dissent toward the referee. 2 yellow cards in the same match equals an automatic red card, and that player is sent off immediately, leaving their team with 10 players for the rest of the game. A red card shown directly, without a prior yellow, means the offense was serious enough to skip the warning entirely. A violent tackle, a deliberate handball to stop a goal, denying an obvious scoring opportunity. That player is gone. And depending on the severity, they may be banned for the next match as well. 10 players against 11 in a World Cup knockout game with everything on the line. So the next time a goal gets ruled out or a red card changes the game, you will know exactly why. But here is the real question. In a tournament this brutal, this precise, this unforgiving, how does any team actually make it to the final?